Okay, this is a video on resetting the network adapter, activity 6.1 for Windows Server 2008. And we're in our Windows Server Enterprise 2008 Enterprise Edition. And first thing we're going to do is open up the command prompt and do an IP config all. And this will give us a list of the network adapter settings. So we have an Ethernet adapter, which is local area connection. And then our tunnel adapter, local area connection 8. Tunnel adapter, local area connection 9. I never could get my local area connection 2 to ever work right in earlier activities. So I'm not so sure this is going to work right because you have to enter a command to change the network adapter name and reset the network adapter configuration. And if I don't have a network adapter local area 2, I don't know if it'll work. So we're just going to try it and see. So it should say netsh interface set interface name equals quote local area connection quote new name equals quote internet quote. And I'm going to go ahead and push enter on this. And then this next one, I'm pretty sure it's not going to work because it'll go all the way to connection space 2 quote. We don't have the local area connection 2, so it's not going to find a name. And I have tried everything that I know of. Obviously, I haven't tried everything because I haven't got it to work, and I'm sure there's a way to make it work. Okay, so I've got this screwed up. Thank you, God. New name equals quote bentech dot local quote, and we're going to press enter. An interface with this name is not registered with the router, so that's what I thought. So we'll try these other two commands. v4 set address name equal. I don't think this one's going to work either. bentech.local. But we might as well try quote static and see, what did I use the last time? Let's go up here and look. Let's do 192.168. Let's do .100.21, I guess. So that obviously don't work either. Or I didn't do it all. because there's also this other part that says net s int ipv4 set DNS bantech.local quote static. And it don't say, maybe, okay, maybe the net s should be net sh, and maybe that's what it's telling me. Book says net s, just so y'all know out there. Now, sweet, that did something. What? Okay, the syntax supplied for this command is not valid. Check help for the correct syntax. So 255.255.255.0, and it was 192.168.100.1. Did I forget to put a space in there? So let's take out this part. No. Okay, well, we're going to move on to the next one and see if that works. So we enter the following command at the command prompt to set your DNS server to forward an external zone DNS request to an internet DNS server. And none of this is really going to work right. Because I don't have I can't get that other one to work, so I don't think this is going to work right. Reset forwarders 4.2.2.1 4.2.2.2. So that worked. Those were reset successfully. The 4.2.2.2.1 and the 4.2.2.2 are publicly available DNS servers. So now let's interrupt the NS lookup. NS lookup Microsoft.com. And this will verify that we have name resolution, and we should receive a non-authoritative response similar to the ones in figure 6.2, and that is not what it's supposed to say. So this is my failed activity, activity 6-1, resetting the network adapters. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, because I didn't enjoy making it. Thanks.